Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 10 best meal prep containers. So let's get started. Number 10. Fit Packer Meal Prep Containers. These high-quality Fit Packer containers ensure that you'll be able to pack the day's meals neatly into place. Even better, they'll stay in place thanks to the patented Sherlock seal, which clicks closed for leak resistance. Number 9. Rubbermaid Brilliance Storage. This is a solid and affordable investment that will last you years. The high-quality plastic resists stains, feels sturdy, and doesn't leak. You'll look forward to heating up those leftovers. Number 8. Fine Dine Glass Meal Prep Containers. Glass food storage containers tend to be easier to clean, and they don't hold a smell. These glass meal prep containers from Fine Dine have amassed hundreds of 5-star reviews for a reason. Number 7. Enther Meal Prep Containers. Enther's containers are packed with compartments to separate different foods, perfect for a bento box meal. They help with portion control, as well as keep those who hate mixing at ease. Number 6. Circo Glass Meal Prep Containers. For those who like glass containers but require compartments, these are the solution. They're split into two parts, one for a larger main portion, and the other for a smaller side. Number 5. Easy Prepa Meal Prep Containers. Make meal prep easy with Easy Prepa's 3-compartment containers. They're microwavable, stackable, and dishwasher safe. Number 4. Prep Naturals Glass Meal Prep Containers. Prep Naturals calls its locking technology the smartest out there. It's airtight, keeping bacteria out and your food in. That's exactly how it should be. Number 3. SimpleHouseware Meal Prep. SimpleHouseware champions simplicity and straightforward design, something over 1,400 people have given a 5-star average on Amazon. Sometimes you don't have to reinvent the wheel for big results. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Leak Proof on the. There's nothing worse than a soggy salad. These OXO containers keeps your lettuce separate from tomatoes, chicken, and other ingredients that lead to wilted lettuce. Number 1. Durahome Meal Prep Containers. Durahome containers are extremely durable, obviously. Throw them in your book bag, toss them around the car, or stick them in the dishwasher when they need deep cleaned. Either way, they'll hold up and hold your food in.